because we have a small little belly over here, it will be so hard to actually contouring it with the J-Flex because it has a hard edge into it and it may cut to my handle. And this is why using the scalloped edge belts 1x72, and it can perfectly go through those areas. And the reason that they shape like this is because they don't give you a cut if you go around it. If I go super hard, it's going to be really tight over here and you're going to get a narrow line. In this scenario, I don't want it to be that tight. I just go a little bit smoother and slower, and this is what I'm going to get. As you see, when I use the scalloped edge belts, you can go through these areas and you see how smooth it is versus the harsh line that we have right down here. You can do it without even getting any cut in this area or even going further down. This is the beauty of this belt, that it can go for any type of contouring in any corner.